Let's turn this ordinary box into an amazing Christmas gift. Watch me as I transform it for one of my best friends. I got this box at Goodwill, as you can see here. And while it's cute, it's very plain, and I think I can make something really special from it. So let's get started. Now I'm painting in the little cacti arms in the solid copper green color. Now I'm adding some highlights of copper there so it looks three-dimensional. Now a little darker green for those arms that are coming in from the back, and some shadow under the arms that are coming in from the front. Some line patterns to get some texture. A little bit more highlight and low light for the three-dimensionality. Here I'll start on the ground. I've mixed brown with the copper now, so the copper is in all of the colors, and that's a sure way that everything will blend nicely together. My Christmas cactus will have a star on the top of it. Now that the first layer of the cactus is dried a little bit, I'm going to add a little bit more lights and darks for some contrast. It's time to start the background. So now I've mixed a little white with the copper, and I'm adding some clouds to integrate the foreground into the background and to give it some visual interest back there. I'm slowly working up these clouds. I'm slowly adding more highlights. And here is where I decide to wipe out the star, because I feel like I would just want some brighter, warmer tones behind the star. I want to make it more visually interesting behind there, so I'm covering up my original star with some more golden clouds. Then I will, once that dries, I'm going to repaint the star. And now it's time to add the Christmas. Let's put Christmas lights all over the cactus. Let's use some red puffy paint for some dimension. And here it is, the finished product. I think it turned out really good. I'm very happy with it. A beautiful desert scene for my bestie who just moved to Texas. She's going to love this Christmas gift. Cute little box for her to put jewelry or knickknacks or change or anything that she wants to put in it. She will think of me when she sees it, and isn't that great? So friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can become a better artist with my tips and tricks.